Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the basic of Cisco packet tracer using router. We are going to design simple network using this network address, host IP range and subnet max. Okay, we have three departments: sales, marketing and IT, and each department has different IP address, host IPs and subnet mask. Okay, in Cisco packet tracer we are going to establish inter-LAN communication. Okay, to do this we will now open the Cisco packet tracer. In the workplace we'll create three local area network. So for that I'm bringing the Cisco switch. These three switches used for creating three different local area networks. Then we are going to add two PCs. Two PCs is for three different departments to the local area network. Then okay, two PCs is we have fast Ethernet 0 to this network. Then 0/2 we do the same. We'll now assign IP address to all the individual PCs. Okay, for that first we have go to desktop, IP configuration, IP address, host IP range 192.168.1.1. so we have to put this 1.1 in here. 192.168.1.2. this is sales department, so sales department have 50 hosts, so it would be 192. Gateway address 192.168.1.0, 192.168.1.0. okay, we have to do same for the PC2, PC1 IP address 192.168.1.3. it has 30 hosts, so it would be 192. Default gateway 192.168.1.64. no, we are making the IP address of sales department. Okay, so 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.1. okay, we have to do this same for this PC also. 192.168.1.1. dot 1.66 192 default gateway 192.168.1.65 192.168.1.65. Okay. So far we have established a local area network, and we will check if local area works or not. Okay, from this PC let me ping this PC. Command prompt ping same network. Okay, 192.168.1.3. Okay, it's working. Now we are going to bring router in the workplace. Go to the router, click on it, and bring this here. Now we need interface to connect this router. So first we need Ethernet straight through cable in order to connect. Yeah, we are able to get reply. It means these species are reachable.